Hey there, welcome again in our YouTube channel. So, in this video, I want to discuss about what's the best programming language to learn fast. It depends upon your choice. It's depend upon your interest. In our previous video, we discussed about the types of the programming language. So those are the types. We select a language and study on it to become a programmer. So let's start our video. Probably starts that whether you are looking to be being a coding as a hobby, as a new career, or as just enhance your current role for getting a job, or there's something else. The first thing you will have to do is decide which programming language you want to start with. There is no right answers, of course. The choosing of a first language you will depends upon the what kind of the projects that you have a work on. You who you want do you work for it, for how easy you want to it be. So the hopefully is guide you will help but given that ideas for which one and the most best language which you should want to select. They are no under in the pressure and not pressurized. Select in your smart mode and select as your hobby or as in which you have interest. So let's begin some ideas. The number one, if you select Python is always recommended if you are now looking for an easy and even fun programming language to learn fast, rather than have to go jumps into the strict syntaxes rules. Python reads like English and is a simple and too much simple for understand, and some things it is too much easy from the new programming language. This you always to obtain a basic knowledge of the coding practices and more, even more, without having abuse and access all the smaller details that are often important in the other languages. Python also is ideal for the web development, graphics uses and interfaces (GUIs), and the software development. In fact, it was used to build Instagram, YouTube, and Spotify. So it's clearly in the demand among the employers, and the addition to having the fastest and on appearing. Top that is its advantage of the Pythons is often tough as well as so the language is required and the more testing in such the practical for the developing mobile apps and other something language. So at the second point we discuss about C language. While C is one of the more difficult language to learn, it is still that excellent first language pick up the because almost of the programming languages are independent in it. This means that once you learn C plus C language, it will be simple to learn but more in this like as C++ and C hash. So because of the C is more machine levels and learning it is a great typically that you have a computer functions and software development in the jolly qualifies the compares with the understanding basics autonomy of the language before becoming a medical doctor, making it the best way to the code efficiently. Yeah, they are in the way. C is exponential choices to become the master coder or and talented developer from the get to go. If you are willing to take the challenge. At the last, we discuss about Java because the shortage of the time we discuss only this language. So there, Java is an objective oriented and a feature heavy programming language that is in the high demand. It's built under the promise of avoid once were in the meaning of it written by the devices and the works cross platforms. This makes it one of the most thirds yes we means that high paid It means that you high paid language skills, so you are looking. You learn the language that's going on to get your character, your career, and you might to be the one, especially since the employers for the Java programs, including the eBay, also Amazon, and the IBM, are most of the additional websites that additionally use the JavaScripts and the Java language. So there, I hope that you get. I think you are now you are not confused for the selection of the language of the programming language you want to choose if you want to learn. So thanks for watching our video and please subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot.